live.
I teach that 5 you.
This is where we're everybody.
Super speedy time schedule.
What's up, y'all? It's Nisha Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going out in Tennessee and having some good lunch. I believe we're supposed to be going to this Paula Deen's restaurant, and we're also supposed to be going to an Alcatraz museum, so that should be very cool. Yesterday we went hiking and I had so much fun, so I want to insert some clips here. We are out here on the trails. Period. Ooh. Say hello, everybody. Aiden and Grandma are back there. We out here. Myra got her fans. I got my water. Oh, that feels good. And my headphones. You need a light. We're supposed to be going on a hike to see a waterfall, so hopefully we don't see no bears or nothing like that. Apparently Myra wants to see bears. I don't want to see no bears. I just want to get down here and see the waterfall and come back. Here. This is how it looks. Y'all see, he was literally all the way like right there at the top of the fall, and now he's walking back. But we made it to the waterfall. Yay! We made it to the waterfall. My mom and my grandma are back there getting pictures. I'm about to go get some pictures in just a second. So yeah, hiking was very fun. It was a very easy hike. Like I said, we had a lot of fun. It was me, my mom, my little brother, and my older sister, and my grandma. So we were all able to do the hike really easily. But today is the second day here in Tennessee, so we're about to have some more fun, which I'm super excited about. And I will bring you guys along. This will just be kind of like a vlog of the activities that we do in Tennessee. Make sure that you guys stay tuned for the video. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. We made it to the island at Pigeon Forge, and this is our view. It feels so good outside. The Paula Deen's restaurant is right behind me. This is where we're going to eat. Grandma, you do not need no moonshine.
I've never had moonshine.
Me neither.
What does it taste like?
Well, I've heard it tastes like pure alcohol.
Well, I don't know what pure alcohol tastes like.
But yeah, we're at the Paula Deen's restaurant. Hopefully it's good. I've heard good and bad things about it, so we'll see how it tastes. I will give y'all a view of what I eat and what I recommend it. 10 out of 10, 0 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, whatever it is. The Alcatraz Museum is not far from here. It's over there, but it's a lot of stuff to do here. We got a Ferris wheel ride. It's a moonshine place over there. We got ice cream, so I'm excited. We made it inside the restaurant at Paula Deen's.
How y'all doing today?
Good.
My name's Ty. I'll be taking care of y'all. Dessert is included in the meal, and it's individual, so everyone does pick their own dessert.
Arnold Palmer.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. He just explained the menu to us, which is basically family style here. You can't take anything home but dessert, so that's interesting. But we basically got to pick 2 dishes and 4 sides, or 3 dishes and 4 sides, or 4 dishes and 4 sides. And the prices aren't bad, so I'll let y'all know how we like the food. And this is the view. As you can see, it looks really pretty. I finished the biscuit and I would give it about a 6 out of 10. I feel like it tastes similar to Red Lobster biscuits. I actually like Red Lobster biscuits better. It's not really flaky, it's more gooey than anything. But the Arnold Palmer is good. Alright, so we got the cheddar biscuits, the cream corn, the candy yams, the mac and cheese. We got some pot roast here. We got some collard greens, fried chicken, and fried pork chop. I'm gonna try everything and let y'all know what I think about everything on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm actually very excited to try this pot roast. It looked really good. I'm not super excited about the candy yams or the cream corn, but I'm gonna try everything and let y'all know what I think. We are in Alcatraz. I'm not supposed to be recording in here. don't understand how bad I needed that water. We just got back home from the Alcatraz Museum. It was very fun. We saw like so much stuff. We weren't supposed to be recording in there, which y'all probably seen in the clip before this, that we actually weren't supposed to be recording in there, but I did get a little bit of footage for you all. We saw serial killers like Ted Bundy. We saw like prison cells. We saw Ted Bundy's real car, his signature, different things like that. Here's the little top detective challenge that we had to do, and they gave us a official top detective sticker, so that was pretty cool. We had to solve it, and the answer was John Hamilton. I don't know, but it was very fun. And then we went to Paula Deen's restaurant. At Paula Deen's restaurant, I believe I told y'all I was gonna rate the food. We had the fried chicken. Fried chicken was like normal fried chicken, like it wasn't nothing special about it in my opinion, so I would get a fried chicken like a 6 out of 10. The pot roast was the best thing that I had there. I would probably get a pot roast like a 9 out of 10. Then the pork chop was decent. I like my pork chop to be a little bit more crispy, but the pork chop was still good, so I would get a pork chop like a 8 out of 10. And then what else did we have? I'm about to go back to look at my picture because I forgot. Let's see. This was my plate. So that was my plate. We had the macaroni and cheese. The macaroni and cheese was not seasoned at all, y'all. Like I probably get it like a 5 out of 10. We had the candy yams. I really don't eat candy yams like that, but I would give it was good, like it wasn't nasty, so I guess I would give it like a 9 out of 10, because I don't eat candy yams like that. Like I really don't like them. I don't eat them on Thanksgiving or period, but it wasn't nasty. Cream corn was pretty decent. Could have used a little bit more seasoning. 6 out of 10 maybe. Collard greens was good. Collard greens 8 out of 10. My favorite two things was the the pot roast, the collard greens, and then the fried pork chop. But when you eat the collard greens, the mac and cheese, and the cream corn together, it actually tastes pretty decent. I had a lot of fun today, and so now I'm back home. I'm about to do my skincare and then get in the bed and just chillax for the rest of the night. Probably journal and read my Bible. Yeah, because nothing else to do really. I will talk to y'all the next time we do something lit. Let me see, because my mom gave me the itinerary. I touched that 5 view. I get it, I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I ain't not. Okay, yeah, so today was Tuesday, so we did the island at Pigeon Forge and the Alcatraz Museum, dinner at Paula Deen. Oh, tomorrow is a resort day, so it's kind of like a rest day tomorrow. And then Thursday we do a day trip to Knoxville. We might go to the zoo, and we do the yacht dinner, and we do the cruise. So if we end up doing anything interesting tomorrow, of course I'll see y'all then. If not, then I will see y'all on Thursday. But until then, good night my beautiful people, and I will see y'all in the next clip. What is up, you guys? It is it's not the next day, it is Thursday. Today is Thursday. We're about to go on a dinner cruise, like on a yacht. I'm very excited, like it sounds fun. So I'm about to do my makeup and do my skincare really quickly. We're gonna be on our way out, but I just wanted to say what's up. My phone is charging, but it is 3:22 Thursday, October 5th. So let's go ahead and get this party on a roll. As y'all can see, this is the fit. I have on like a long flowy dress, and I have the shawl. I'm gonna wear my Gucci slides to complement my outfit, and we're about to hurry up and put our last finishing touches on. I wore this cute necklace. I think it's so adorable. Y'all are gonna see this sped up because I have to hurry up. We are now on a super speeding time schedule. People are leaving the house. We must finish now. I just realized this doesn't have any label on it anymore, but it's just banana baking powder. All right, y'all, we looking good. I haven't heard my mom come back with the car. We're about to put on our Fenty Beauty Heat Lip Plumper. I'm about to see if I can run and go get my highlighter out of my bag. I think it's in there, but I want to put some highlighter on, so I'll be right back. I found my highlighter, y'all, in a little thing, so I'm about to put some of this on really quick. I usually only put my highlighter here, 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 and above my lid. It's really easy. All right, y'all, so I am done. This is the final look. I had to pause my girl Simone. I was listening to her Week of Story Times because it is vlog. That was my phone. Look at me moving too fast, moving too doggone fast. We're good though, she's not cracked. I think I started at 3:22. It is 3:37 and this is the final look. The face always eats. Like, one thing about the face, it's gonna always eat, period. Poop. So we're about to go on the yacht cruise, the dinner cruise with the yacht. I don't know what it is. We'll see when we get there, but like, I am exhausted. Oh, I need to put on my scent for the day. I think I said in my last vlog, I said So de Janeiro, and it's actually Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, let's hurry up and put this on. Y'all, I'm getting stuff everywhere. I wonder where my Apple Watch is. That's my mom. Hello?
Hey, can you look at my bathroom before you come down and bring me my mascara, or just bring me your mascara? I think my mascara is in that red tube in the bathroom, but I don't see it in my thingy.
Can I just bring you mine? Because mine is already in my purse and I already know where it's at and everything.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
You downstairs now?
Yeah, everybody's in the car.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Why am I always the last one? I be feeling so bad. I gotta put some lotion on the other foot because I can't go one foot. I like to put on my lotion before I put on my spray. It's like once I put on the spray, it's hard to, I can't think right now, but once I put on the lotion, it's hard to spray the spray because my hands are slippery from the this lotion in my hair, literally. Let's make a run for it. Let me make sure my mascara is in here. It is. Put my lip gloss back in here. I will see y'all when we get there. Period, poo. We made it to the marina and we are walking. We have the city behind us. Aiden's just the coolest kid ever. This is the marina. This is the dinner cruise yacht boat thingy majig that we're gonna be on for the next 2 hours. So yeah, we're at the marina, y'all. Period. That's the boat right there. Cool. We are up close and personal with the Volunteer Princess dinner cruise. Period. Yeah. Just so pretty here, y'all. It's some trains up there. Let me show y'all the trains. Don't know what that is, but yeah. And here's the marina. I feel like I've showed y'all a million times, but it just looks so pretty. I look even prettier on it. We made it on the boat and we have a window seat, which is really cool, but my sister took my seat and I really don't appreciate that.
There was no name.
I just really don't appreciate that anyways.
There's no seats assigned.
Here is our view.
I can't.
Say hello. Oh, Grammy's walking back up to the table. Say hey, Grandma. And now you say hey. She really took my seat and I really don't appreciate that anyway, because I really will punch you in your face anyway. We got water.
Find your name. This is my water. That's yours down there.
Y'all saw she just took my water out my hand. How rude. So y'all, this says welcome to the Volunteer Princess, enjoy the sights. So this is all the things that we're gonna see. This kind of freaked me out a little bit, the body farm. Like I don't know about that, but this is about the river. This is very exciting. It says this stretch of beautiful homes has houses that start at $1 million, Sequoia Hills. So I'm excited to see that. And this is like the itinerary and about the boat. Period. Say hey to the vlog. Y'all, look at these people canoeing by. Are they in a canoe race? Like, what is going on? We got a bottle of Chardonnay, California.
Okay, let me take my picture. I started my taxes back.
This is our first meal. We got some salad and a roll, and I got some more wine. Also, we're moving now. So we just passed Newland Stadium. It's home of the Bulls. That's one of the first things on the list here. So we just passed the $1 million houses, guys. That is right here. They were really nice in person. They just came out with course number 2. We got some chicken, we got some steak, squash, and mashed potatoes, and then of course we got the wine. This is good. This is fish. These mashed potatoes are good. We got the 3rd course, which is cheesecake with raspberry drizzle on it. All right, we about to try the cheesecake. It's not bad. I give it like a 7 out of 10. I've had better, but it's not bad. So pretty at night. The cruise is almost over, so I need to finish my wine, and we're about to do that right now. Myra is going to record me because she has a contemplation of me chugging alcoholic beverages, so she's just going to add this to the list. Y'all get the picture. We're about to add to that contemplation, period. All right, we ready? Aiden got this scooter and he think he fa-fa. Uh-oh. All right, it is our last day in Tennessee. Me and my family are about to go and explore Gatlinburg, Tennessee. After that, we're gonna get on the road, but we already have our stuff packed and in the car. So this is the last time you'll see me in this beautiful bathroom. Like, this bathroom is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Say bye to the room. Bye, room. Thoroughly enjoyed my vacation in Tennessee, but now it's time to get back to the grind and go to work. But at least I still have the weekend. But I will see y'all when we're in Gatlinburg. I just wanted to give y'all one last view of the Tennessee apartmento. Of course, I'll let y'all know when we make it home. I won't be doing a vlog on the way home because it's just sad. Tear, tear. Tear, tear. Fix your hat, mommy. That's mommy's hat. That's Myra's hat. Grandma's hat. Aiden, turn to me so I can tell them your hat. Now everybody about to look at their hat. I think Aiden and Myra neck and neck. All right, let's take them out. Yeah, he said it when we left. That's not funny. This was mine. Every dick's last resort. How does everybody feel about their hat?
I think mine is hilarious. I like my hat.